Do you suffer from debilitating joint pain, maybe from an injury or arthritis? Have you been told you need joint surgery? Well, wait before you do anything. I have been invited to Phoenix Spine and Joint to meet the doctors here, and I'm with Dr. Nathan Moore. And one of the other things that you guys are very proud of, and our viewers are gonna now know why, is that you do all of this in-house. A patient can come in at 7 o'clock in the morning and go home at 11 that morning?
Absolutely. No longer are those 3-day stays in the hospital necessary. I mean, this isn't your mom's knee replacement anymore. So ultimately, you can come in at 7 in the morning and be gone before lunchtime.
That is crazy. And that's important for so many reasons. You know, we are in a pandemic. What are some of the safety issues to us as a patient of going home that day?
Well, you know, a lot of people wonder, you know, can I even have a joint replacement outside of a hospital? Because traditionally, that's always been how it is. But absolutely, we use different alternative techniques in anesthetic care to provide the pain relief that's necessary for people to still be able to go home same day. And we utilize minimally invasive and particularly muscle sparing techniques that allow for that same.
So faster recovery, less downtime.
Pain.
Phoenix Spine and Joint. They have 3 locations: Scottsdale, Goodyear, and Gilbert. Call 602-256-2525. Learn more. Visit the website phoenixspineandjoint.com.